guys, it is finally fall and I am so excited. You can literally feel it in the air all around you, and here in North Carolina, the leaves are already starting to change colors and everything. But the very best part of fall, in my personal opinion, is all of the gorgeous makeup looks you get to create. And that's why today I'm collaborating with a group of truly talented creators here on YouTube to bring you guys some beautiful fall inspired makeup looks. For my makeup look today, I'm using the Little Ray of Sunshine palette by ColourPop. And you guys, this truly is the perfect little fall eyeshadow palette. Look at all of these shades. I already got my concealer on, and the very first shade I'm going to go in with is called Sunnies, and this is that gorgeous yellow right here. Next, I'm going in with this taupey color, and it's called Vibey. And I'm going to put that in the crease. And I'm going to take it into that yellow that I already have on top. I'm going to go in with this pretty color here, and it is called Chillin'. I'm going to stick that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here called Sun Giant, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners and just darken up the edges of this. Trust the process. I promise this is going to look really good once it's done. My inner corners, I'm going to go in with this white taupey color, and it is called Happy Place. I'm sticking it right here in the corners just to brighten up that inner corner just a little bit. Bottom lash line, I'm going to go back in with that Chillin' color, and I'm going to just stick that down here on my lower lash line. Now I am going to go put on all the rest of my makeup, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished project. This is my gorgeous yellow brown smoky eye. I hope you guys like it. I am obsessed with it. If you want to see some more gorgeous fall inspired makeup looks, be sure to check the links in the description. I hope that these bring you so much inspiration to create your own fall inspired masterpieces. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. And if you haven't already, please, please, please consider becoming a part of my gorgeous gypsy gang. I love you guys so, so much, and until the next time.